Hey babies, it's me, Nana. Today we're going to read Clifford the Firehouse Dog. You like Clifford? The big red dog is like Zara. Big Zara the Firehouse. My name is Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog, Clifford. Clifford is not the oldest in his family, but he is the biggest. See, that's all his brothers and sisters. Last week, Clifford and I went to the city to visit Clifford's brother, Nero. Clifford knew the way. They're headed that way. Nero lives in a firehouse. He is a fire rescue dog. That's cool. He's a rescue dog. I asked the firefighters if Clifford could help them. They thought he was the right color for the job. Red. Just then, a group of school children came in for a fire safety class. You know about fire safety? Nero showed them what to do if their clothing was on fire. You stop, drop, and roll. Don't be scared. Stop, drop, and roll. You stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. To smother the flames, you stop, drop to the floor, and roll until the fire is out. Don't ever forget that. Don't ever. Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Right. Clifford thought he could do that. He repeated the lesson for the class. He stopped. He dropped. And he rolled. Oh, don't roll on the vegetables. Uh-oh. He rolled a little bit too far. Uh-oh. He's mushed the veggies. Oh, no. Just then, we heard the siren. There was a fire. Oh, they're headed out. Nero stayed to guard the children. Clifford and I ran ahead. He cleared the street for the fire trucks. That's a big help, I know. All them cars in the way. Well, smoke was pouring from the top floor of a tall building. Clifford pushed the crowd back to a safe place. He saw some people in trouble. Oh, man. See him up here? In trouble. Clifford to the rescue. Look at there. He got them all down safely. The heavy hose was hard to unreel. Clifford gave the firefighters a hand. He helped them pull that thing with strong teeth. I bet they liked him a lot. But then he saw that the fire hydrant was stuck. Oh no, the fire hydrant was stuck. Thank goodness Clifford was there to unstick it. Yay. Thanks, Clifford. They had to get the smoke out of the building. Clifford made a hole in the roof so all the smoke could pour out the top. It's a good idea, Clifford. The firefighters were calling for more water. So what did Clifford do? He got the water. Got them some more water. That can be an issue. Clifford found some. I told you he found some. He helped clear the smoke away. He is one awesome dog. When the fire was out, Clifford made sure that the firefighters got out of the building safely. I bet they all want a Clifford. They were grateful for everything he had done to help. Oh, they're giving him a hug. I like hugs. We gave some firefighters a ride back to the firehouse. I bet that was a cool ride. Clifford was a hero. The fire chief made him an honorary fire rescue dog, just like his brother Nero. Yay! Now, these are the fire safety rules. You need to tape the number of your fire department to your telephone. Well, on your phone, it will be 911. 911. Not 991, but 911. No two different ways out of your house or apartment building. We got a front door, the back door, basement, windows. Choose a place nearby where you and other family members of your family can meet if you have to leave your house and get separated. Choose a church. Never go back into your house for anything if the building is on fire, because you might not make it back out. Tell your mom or dad to change the battery in your smoke alarms every year on your birthday. Don't forget. Do not play with matches. And never use the stove without your mom and dad there, an adult. And what is the thing you do if your clothes catch on fire? You remember? Stop, drop, and roll. Thanks, Clifford. Well, I love you guys. Be safe, and don't forget your fire safety. Okay, stop, drop, and roll. 911. Okay, no two ways out. Change the batteries. Okay, I love you guys.